What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing to do with you guys. This is a discontinued ZT model, and some of you guys are going to be as excited as me, and some of you aren't, but I am really excited to unbox this knife, absolutely. So, as usual, links in the description for the Rainbow Lady of the Sea if you'd like to purchase it, as well as my WIA bit selector and my WIA driver. Other things in the description, some useful EDC items, same thing, but I'm going to get back to the unboxing here, focus on the meat and potatoes. Absolutely so excited to get in here. Thank you so much, Bryant, for sending this guy my way. Looks like there's some information in here. I want to make sure and see if I can take a look at this real quick. All right, it says, "What's up, Metal Complex? Hope all is well, brother. Sent you that ZT number edited so that we can save the drama for the unboxing. You were looking to review, but with a twist, the blah 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 version, the best version in my opinion. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on it. I never see this model around. Love your series of Knife Guy and the Quest. Keep it up, man. Best regards." This is actually for, so his name's Bryant, but it's Gunner EDC. He's got an awesome Instagram. I've been talking with him a little bit. Really nice guy. Thanks so much, man. That was really nice. I appreciate it. I'm so excited to get into this here, definitely. And rest assured, your baby is going to be safe with me. So I'll tell you guys, I have handled this knife before, but never this version. This is, I mean, when I was first made aware of this knife, I'm gonna be really careful here getting into this. I know, don't cut towards yourself, but in this case, it's just about control and at the same time trying to keep it on camera so you guys don't go crazy. This version was still pretty rare even when I had first gotten into this. Oh boy, look at this. This is the ZT0560 CBCF. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I'm literally getting chills. And a lot of you guys are rolling your eyes like, oh my God, who is this weirdo, you know? But, I mean, a lot of my viewers know I love Hinderer knives, and this was not the absolute original, but one of the original Hinderer ZT collaborations. Better meant to represent, in my opinion, the XM24, the 0550 being the original Hinderer XM8, or well, the original Hinderer ZT collab, meant to represent the XM18, and then this was their bigger boy. The cool thing about this guy, though, is that the scales were contoured. That's a big deal. Now, on the CBCF, you know, on the originals, we had golf ball texturing, which is cool, but on the CBCF, we had this beautiful micro milling, right? Now, let's take a look at the steel. This is, if I'm remembering correctly, and I will make sure and get it right when I do the review, but it's S110V, but it's a laminate. I think. Maybe I'm wrong about that. I can't remember. This is a first impressions video, so in my opinion, I don't have to get anything right in this video, just in the review. But in any case, I am just beside myself with joy at the opportunity to handle something really nice of you to send such a beautiful piece, one that is clearly in mint condition. These are very rare. I want to take a look at that number again there. Serial 1214. Yeah, absolutely perfect condition. Wow, that is so cool. Thank you so much, Gunner. I appreciate it. I'm gonna try to remember to leave his Instagram tag down in the description here. But guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. I hope that you guys like this. I will tell you, expect to see in the near future some interesting comparisons with ZT's past collaborations and Hinderer knives. I have done a few, but now that I have this knife in my possession, I plan to compare it with at least the 0562 and some other stuff, so expect to see that in the future. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. So Like I said, links in the description. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, I do have a Patreon. There's also links in the description. If you'd like to at least have a look around first and kind of see what it's all about, I absolutely welcome that. The support means all the world to me, and all of that money pays for shipping costs back to, in this case, it'll be back to Gunner to ship this knife back to him and insure it and make sure that it makes it back to its original owner. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.